Chaudhary. I'm from South Farika College, and our project name is Watch TV, and I'm the Scrum Master of this project. And my team member is Aryan, Aditya, and Raju. And this is our sign-in page, and we started sign up. First, we sign up a name, user. If phone number is valid or 10 number only. And password is 1, and here is create successfully. Okay, and is sign and we go in sign in page, phone number, password is 1, and it is our sign in. It's our dashboard page, and if you want to upload a movie, then upload. Here is a poster, upload a movie, then we upload this picture, and title is drama. Discount is a valid 10 words. And here is a calendar also. If you want, then calendar is selected, and duration minute, 15 minute, and generate if you want maximum generate, and then you want is a drama, and if you want in generals, we add a 3. If any 3 you select this, and it will be a save, and kind of movie or so, and you it's a movie, and it will be a save. It's a successfully save, and here we should see that here is a movie will be saved in there. If you want to add a favorite list, then you want to favorite. If you remove, then it's no problem. If you remove that, here is a collection. Rating is also available in here, and drama, and I like a nice. And if you want to edit this, then here is edit content, and here you should edit here edit drama will be edit. Here it updated, and here is successfully updated, and here you should be see that here drama will be edit and convert in film. Here and we should go in home, and this is our home page, and here is a black and white page. Here mode is also given, and there is a profile, and here is a watch list. There is a watch list if you want to watch, and then already I will told you that here is watch list, and here is a profile, and this is a profile picture. If you want to edit this profile, then edit here, and here delete this and upload an image also, and upload this image, and your real name, and here is real name, and city also here giving, country also, and this will be updated. And now we should here update will be successfully, and now here it's a change in profile also, edit also profile, and we should go in content rate also, and here is content rate, and we should go in home, and in profile we should log out this profile for going admin page, and here is we should go in admin page, password is here, and this is our admin page, and here same as a dashboard page, but different in form users is different. If you want to delete this username, then it will be deleted, just like I will delete in this here I will here Raju in I will added in a few minutes ago Raju, and I will delete this Raju, and here you should see that Raju will be deleted. And home here, so its so will be here, yeah, here, and this will be also edit, in edit content. Here if you want to delete this top edit, then its account will be deleted, and it will be deleted, and it's successful delete. And you should, and here we will see that there is a no movie in here, it will be deleted. Thank you, my project will be